to our dearest co-directress, Mrs. Bonibel Real, to my advisor, Teacher KB Larawi, our dear teachers, parents, classmates, and friends, good afternoon. Thank you for being with us. We all deserve to celebrate and be proud of ourselves. Yes, we know that things are a little bit different this year. We cannot control the circumstances we face today. Yet, through it all, we made it. We are happy for this big milestone in our young lives. It is with joy and pride that I welcome you all to our 5th Moving Up ceremony. Thank you.